In this video, I will show you how to create a clean Windows 11 classy interface using Windhawk and some powerful stylish mods. This setup will make your desktop look more modern, smooth transparency and premium. We will customize the taskbar, notification center, setting, file explorer, start menu and Windows transparency step by step. Don't worry if you are a beginner because I will explain everything. First, we will install Windhawk, which is a powerful tool for applying Windows customization mods. Then we will set a beautiful wallpaper that matches the glass theme. After that, we will install different Windhawk mods and paste the required advanced script one by one. This script will help change your design, size, blur effect and transparency look for Windows 11. At the end, we will also check RAM usage to make sure the system is working normally and smoothly after applying all changes. So follow every step carefully and let's begin the setup. Install Windhawk on your Windows 11 computer. Open Windhawk and browse for mods. Now set your wallpaper. Choose a clean, dark and gradient wallpaper that matches the glass theme. A good wallpaper makes the transparency interface look more beautiful and premium. Next, install the Windows 11 Taskbar Stellar mod. After installing, go to Advanced Setting. Copy the taskbar style script. Paste it here and click Save. This will change the taskbar design and give a more modern classy effect. Now install the taskbar height and icon size mod. Copy the script. Open the advanced session. Paste it here and save it. After that, install the Windows 11 File Explorer Styler mod. Go to Advanced Setting. Copy the script. Paste it here and save it. This will customize the file explorer and make it match the classy interface style. Now install the translation Windows mod. This mod will add a transparent effect to Windows, making the whole interface look soft and glossy. Next, install the Windows 11 Notification Center Installer mod. Go to Advanced Setting. Copy the script. Paste it here and save it. This will customize the notification center and make it look clean and modern. Now install the Windows 11 State Menu Installer mod. Copy this script. Open the advanced option, paste it here and save it. After saving, your start menu will have a new glossy style design. Next, install the Windows 11 Setting Installer mod. Copy the script. Paste the first script in the advanced section and save it. After that, remove the old script. Paste it the new script and save again. This will update the setting, design and make it match the full glossy theme. Finally, check your RAM uses. Open Taskbar and type Windhawk. Look at the memory section. If the RAM usage is normal, then your system is running smoothly. Now your Windows 11 glossy interface setup is complete. That's it. Your Windows 11 glossy interface is ready. If everything looks smooth and RAM usage is normal, enjoy your new desktop. Like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. I will see you in the next video.